finally in Hamilton Island. First night at the Reef Hotel. 1318. We have no idea what to expect.
Welcome to Queensland. So what's on the agenda today?
Kayak tour and a whole lot of chilling.
Miss Malini, your Desi Girl Traveler, and we're here in Queensland. This is Hamilton Island, and today we're going kayaking, and I think the sun will set while we're doing that, so follow me.
Hi, you're watching MissMalini.com.
And tell us where we are right now. Where are we kayaking?
We are kayaking in Hamilton Island, Whitsundays, Australia.
With champagne!
Cheers.
As I said, we're going kayaking, and Desi Girl Traveler is now drinking champagne in a kayak on Hamilton Island. This is pretty amazing. This is the most interesting kayaking experience ever that I've had, so make sure you come check it out. This is Queensland.